exhibition. I can't wait to go in. It's its 10th year. That's 2 years older than me. The art exhibition has raised enough money to help the school. It made the netball court and gave the pool a hug. Remember that time when we were playing on the netball court and I shot like 5 goals? And you were amazing at defense. Over the years, art exhibition has helped us to build forest play equipment, the TP playground, sunshades, playgrounds and painting slides, Wi-Fi and tablets, drainage, AstroTurf. But there are still more things we need your help with. Let us show you.
Have you been helping friends? Because that's our focus this week, isn't it? What do you mean, what happened here? Come and show me. Let's go and have a look. Come on, boys. What's happened here? Oh, I know. The path is it's in such a bad state, isn't it? What do you think's wrong with it? We need to... It's all breaking up. And if we look down here, look, we can't even get down there because of the danger keep out tapes, can we? No. So we're trying to find some people to help us, or a way to help us to fix the path. But do you know how much it's going to cost?
No.
About $30,000 to fix this whole path all the way down. They've got to break up the old part, and then they've got to re-concrete the new one in so it's safe for everyone to be able to use our Coates Street entrance gate. So we can make this look as good as the rest of our school. Because look all over here, it's fantastic, isn't it?